Hello children, how are you all today? Hope you all are fine. Now children, look here. Who is this children? This is an elephant. There once was an elephant named Eddie. One day, Eddie was walking through the jungle when he saw an egg lying on the grass. Eddie wondered to himself, what's wrong with the egg? Suddenly, the egg opened with a crack. And out came a bird. Eddie was surprised and asked, "Who are you?" "I am Emma the emu. Would you like to be my friend?" Eddie never had a friend before. He smiled and said, "Yes, I would love to." Eddie the elephant and Emma the emu became best friends. They used to play and have fun together. One day, while playing, they came across a railway tracks. Eddie the elephant ran towards the tracks and yelled, "Come on, Emma, we can play hop along the tracks." Emma the emu followed Eddie the elephant. But she said, "Careful, Eddie, you could get hurt." But Eddie the elephant did not listen. Suddenly, Eric the engine came speeding towards Eddie the elephant and crushed Eddie. Eddie was in pain. Eddie yelled, "Oh, someone please help! Please help!" Emma the emu and Eric the engine did not know what to do. Suddenly, an elf came running towards Eddie the elephant and said, "I can help you with my magic." He waved his wand and helped Eddie the elephant off the tracks. Eddie the elephant smiled at the elf and said, "Thank you, kind elf." The elf smiled and said, "You are welcome, Eddie, but you have to be more careful." Both Eddie the elephant and Emma the emu nodded with smiles and said together, "Yes, we will." So children, this was all about the two friends. Now children, today you have learned so many new words. You know all these words begin with the same sound. And what is the sound? The sound is eh. The sound is eh. Now look at this children. What is this? This is an elbow. Elbow also begins with eh sound. Now children, repeat after me. Eh, elephant. Eh, elephant. Eh, egg. Eh, egg. Eh, emu. Eh, emu. Eh, engine. Eh, engine. Eh, elbow. Eh, elbow. Eh, elf. Eh, elf. Now children, you know how do we write a sound? Let's see. First a sleeping line. Go up. Make a curve. Eh. Again, first a sleeping line. Go up. Make a curve. Eh. Thank you children.